In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send a message with the Confetti effect on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off you need to open up Messages app and then just enter a conversation you would like to send your message to. Then tap right here, and once it is done, just enter your message here. I'm just gonna enter hello here. However, you can enter different text, and also you can hit right here at that plus and choose stickers to add here some emojis, because we can add any special effects to any types of messages here on the Messages app. And now when your text is ready to be sent, then all you have to do is just long press here at this send button, just like that, and that will activate that mode where at the top here we need to first off switch it to screen, and that will show us different effects here. We can use any of them, and now we can easily switch between them in that simple way. So just keep switching it until you find Confetti effect here, and basically now we can easily see at that screen how it will look like for the person we send this message to. And then basically to send it, just tap right here. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.